Hey there, Sachin. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review the Golden Goose System by Desmond Ong, and that is releasing on 23rd of Feb 2017 at 8 a.m. EST. Okay, so first I'm going to go through the Golden Goose System sales page, then I'm going to show you the Golden Goose System members area, then I'm going to show you the method that is being used in the Golden Goose System, and all the OTOs, and what I got a bonuses for you, my friend. Okay, so let's go. This is a sales page of the Golden Goose System, and pretty decent. The first thing I want to share with you about Desmond Ong is that when I got started first, the first person to approve my offer being from where I came, because normally people don't approve offers from affiliates from India, and that was the very big reason I was for a pending on approval on a lot of offers, and the first person to approve my offer and to trust me as an affiliate was this guy, Desmond Ong, because I know for a fact Desmond Ong is very genuine when it comes to getting results in internet marketing. Trust me, my friend, whatever offer he launches, the content in that offer is of high quality and highly packed, value packed content, because it's not something that is not working for Desmond, or he just want to build a buyers list and then he want to sell some crap to that buyers list. No, that is not. He has a huge coaching program on the back end where you get in touch with Desmond Ong one-on-one. But to be fair, he's not that kind of vendor who just launches offers to just get those buyers and sell some crap offers to them. He is a very reputable guy who launches something which is of extreme value and which will truly help people to make money online, my friend. So Golden Goose System is not different from that. It is a great system. I've gone through the members area, and I know for a fact that this system always works because it is laying out something as to building an asset that will pay you for a lifetime. It's like a residual income. You set up these things once and then you can replicate it. You set up a Golden Goose System once and then you get good amount of money in the course of time. Then you set up another system like the first one, which was profitable, and then your income stream starts to grow. So Golden Goose System, here is the sales page. If you can see, he is a well-known author who has done a lot of events. He do a personal coaching, and he's a very well-known guy, to be honest. Here are some of the Desmond Ong results from Warrior Plus, and this is from the one campaign that he has set up. And these kind of results we think that these are scam, but trust me, my friend, when I see the amount of content which Desmond Ong provides in the members area, I get to believe that this amount is very much possible for anybody who don't even have an experience in internet marketing. Trust me, it works because Desmond Ong makes it very easier to understand and very easy to implement, even for somebody who is completely newbie. Okay, so Golden Goose System, here are some of the results of his student. You can see over there, 4K made in the first week, 10K made in 1 week's time. Now these kind of numbers may shock you, or may you think that, oh man, this is not my cup of tea. But trust me, these are results from those people who don't even have understood the internet marketing properly, but still they have got good results. And that why? Because they have listened to Desmond Ong. They have followed the system which Desmond Ong lays out in the members area. And let's go to the members area. Okay, so we are in the members area of Golden Goose System, and if you see, this is a very motivational video by Desmond, which is I really like that. Then this is again about a mindset and the motivation from Desmond Ong, and the main video or the main training is this one, the Golden Goose System. Now to be honest, this video is, if you can see over here, it's 46 minutes So it's a very long video, but trust me, that one video has got all that content you need to make this kind of income. Also, the entire mind map of Golden Goose System is there. You can download it here, and if you go through this link, you will get to the 2017 blueprint, which was his past product, and I got a review of that. If you go to my channel, because this product has got all those elements that are required to make a good amount of money in affiliate marketing, internet marketing, right from scratch, from create an opt-in page to picking up an offer, driving traffic through various different methods, to creating your own product, then how to win an affiliate contest, then how to ask affiliate to partner up with them and make a very big list of customers, and this kind of thing. All those elements that are required to make a killing with affiliate marketing or internet marketing, it is there in 2017 blueprint. So you get this absolutely free over here, and it already have that all information. So he has laid out this 2017 blueprint in this members area of Golden Goose System. Okay, so in the members area, this is all the only thing which is only one video which is present, but don't get freaked out, because this video is something which has got all the elements, so you don't need any other information. Now trust me, my friend, what is Golden Goose method? Now remember, when you drive traffic, you are starting to build a list of email subscribers. Trust me, my friend, let's say an example, you drive 100 clicks and you get 50 opt-ins out of that. Out of the 50 opt-ins, let's say 2 sales you got. Now potentially, if you ask yourself, only 2% are committed to success. Only 2% are those people who really likes to make money online, who have trusted you, and you want only these kind of members onto your email list, because these are customers. This is a customer list, because you don't want to build a list of freebie seekers of 10,000 people and then try to sell those things to this, because some of them would don't even have a credit card. Some of them are not that kind of serious of making money online. Some of them are not interested in making money. They are just hanging around, and some of them just want to make money for free. So this kind of people may be on your list, but trust me, you don't want that kind of people. Golden Goose System teaches you how to make a customer's email list and then sell a good online stuff to those customers, because this customer list is worth 10 times more than the freebie seekers list, my friend. And this is really powerful, because you don't want to just build an email subscribers list, you want to build a list of buyers. Okay, and that is what is taught in Golden Goose System. Okay, so let's go through the upsells first, because I want to show you a lot of stuff, my friend. Okay, so this is the first upsell, which is a social traffic app, which can drive you free targeted traffic from Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram. Now this is powerful. If you want to have a free traffic software which can get you this kind of numbers in a month's time, absolutely free, then you need to get this secret traffic software from Desmond Ong, which is on a monthly basis. You can get it at 39. It is $40 per month, but it is worth, because you don't have to then pay for a lot of traffic, because free traffic is where you make a huge profits, and the traffic is from not from 1 to 2 social network. It is from Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and various other networks. Okay, so if you want to have a piece of it, this is the first OTO, which is at $39.95 per month. Okay, now there is a downsell available, but then you will not get the YouTube, Instagram subscription and YouTube subscription on that. There is a downsell which is at $19.95 per month, but then in that downsell you will not get YouTube and Instagram. You will still get Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, but you will not get YouTube and Instagram. That is it. Okay, so the next OTO is 10 proven, tested, done for you campaign, which are ready made, which are just you need to plug and play, and you will start getting results right away. Now these 10 done for you campaign are at $47, and these are some of the results of those 10 done for you campaigns. So if you want, you can get it at 47 bucks. Now when it comes to looking at screenshot like this, I'm going to tell you these are real screenshots. It is not something fake which Desmond uses. These are real results from Desmond personal accounts, and this is the second OTO, which is at 47 bucks. So I would recommend, if you have that kind of a budget, jump on it. 10 done for your campaign, so you don't have to test too many offers. You just get the proven offers that will adapt. They are proven to convert for you. Okay, so this is at for 47 bucks. There is a downsell which is at 27 bucks, but I don't know how many campaigns are there in 27 bucks. So I would recommend, if you can afford, get it at 47 for 10 done for your campaign, not just 1 or 2. Okay, the next OTO is OTO 3. It is 5 case studies of a campaign that can make you a killing online, and these are from Desmond. These are $5 million case studies that you can get at 97 bucks. Okay, so this is the OTO 3 of the Golden Goose system, which you want to have, because case studies are always real. Okay, what is case study? Case study is something which people have implemented and they have got results. So you will get to see those 5 case studies, and you need to apply the same strategies into your campaign. Okay, so this is at 97 bucks, and this has no downsell. This is a fixed price of 97 bucks. So to my opinion, Golden Goose system is truly one of the genuine courses of 2017, if you ask me. Very genuine. If you have some questions, you can comment below this video. I have got awesome bonuses for you, which I have put down in the description. Please check it out. And on 23rd of Feb 2017 at 8 AM EST, get Golden Goose system at absolutely low price of 19 bucks. You can see over here, 19 bucks, and give it a try. It's really worth what you will learn from Desmond. Golden Goose system gets 9 out of 10 from me, because I know for a fact this guy is very genuine when it comes to helping people, truly helping people. Okay, so Golden Goose system, check out the bonuses which I have put down in the description, and let me know what you think. I have got my Facebook link in the description, so if you have any questions, please do connect with me on Facebook, and click the link below to go to my website and learn more about Golden Goose system, and grab it at the lowest price possible. Okay, so Sachin is signing off, and have a great day. Bye bye.